Imagine the most isolated place on Earth. A place so remote, it is farther from any land than any other point on the planet. This place is known as Point Nemo, the oceanic pole of inaccessibility. It lies in the heart of the South Pacific Ocean, surrounded by thousands of miles of open water. Point Nemo is not just a point on a map. It is a symbol of the vast, uncharted territories that still exist on our planet. It is a place where the nearest human beings are often astronauts aboard the International Space Station, orbiting hundreds of miles above Earth. This remote point in the South Pacific Ocean exists in splendid isolation, untouched by human civilization. It is a place where the ocean's depths hold secrets yet to be discovered. Despite its remoteness, Point Nemo is a place of scientific intrigue. Researchers are drawn to its unique location to study ocean currents, marine life, and the impact of human activity on the most isolated parts of our planet. Point Nemo captures the imagination of explorers and scientists alike. It represents the final frontier of our planet, a place where the unknown still reigns supreme. It is a testament to the vastness of our planet, a reminder of how much of our world remains unexplored and mysterious. This point is a geographic anomaly, a spot on the globe that defies easy access and challenges our understanding of isolation. It is the ultimate example of remoteness, a place where the vastness of the ocean meets the limits of human exploration. Point Nemo stands as a beacon of the unknown, inviting us to ponder the mysteries that lie beyond the horizon. Point Nemo is not a physical island or landmass. It is a point in the ocean calculated using spherical geometry. This point lies at the heart of a vast oceanic triangle. The 3 points of this triangle are landmasses. Ducie Island, part of the Pitcairn Islands, lies to the north. Motu Nui, part of Easter Island, is to the northeast. Mahare Island, off the coast of Antarctica, marks the southern point. Point Nemo's isolation is staggering. Located in the heart of the South Pacific Ocean, it is the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, the farthest point from any landmass on Earth. It lies over 1,600 miles, or 2,688 kilometers, from the nearest landmass. To put that into perspective, this distance is greater than the width of the United States from coast to coast. This distance dwarfs the space between many countries. For instance, it's more than twice the distance between London and Moscow. Imagine being in the middle of an ocean, surrounded by nothing but water for as far as the eye can see. To put it in perspective, if you were at Point Nemo and wanted to swim to the closest inhabited land, you'd be facing a journey longer than the entire coastline of the United States. This makes it one of the most remote places on the planet, a true testament to the vastness of our oceans. This remoteness has profound implications for the life that exists there. The isolation means that the area is relatively untouched by human activity, providing a unique environment for marine life. The creatures that inhabit these waters have adapted to the extreme conditions, making Point Nemo a fascinating subject for scientific study. The lack of human presence also means that it is one of the few places on Earth where the natural world remains largely undisturbed. Point Nemo's extreme isolation makes it a fascinating and unique location for scientists. It offers a rare and unique glimpse into the deep ocean's mysteries. The waters around Point Nemo are some of the clearest and least affected by human activity on Earth. Researchers can study ocean currents, marine life, and the impacts of climate change with minimal human interference here. This pristine environment provides invaluable data for understanding our planet and its future. Section 5. The Silent Abyss. Life in the Ocean Desert. Despite its isolation, Point Nemo is not devoid of life. However, the life that exists there has adapted to extreme conditions. The waters are nutrient poor, making it a biological desert. Only specialized creatures, like bacteria and small invertebrates, can survive in this challenging environment. Larger animals are rare visitors, drawn by the faintest sense of food carried on ocean currents. Section 6. A graveyard of giants, where spacecraft go to rest. Point. Nemo's remoteness has made it an ideal location for spacecraft disposal. When satellites and other spacecraft reach the end of their operational life, they are deliberately deorbited. Many of these spacecraft, including the Russian Mir space station, have been laid to rest in the depths surrounding Point Nemo. This spacecraft graveyard minimizes the risk of debris harming populated areas. Section 7. Currents and circulation. Unveiling the ocean's secrets. Point Nemo lies within the South Pacific Gyre, a massive system of rotating ocean currents. These currents play a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate. Studying the flow of water and heat around Point Nemo helps scientists understand the complex interplay between the ocean and the atmosphere. This knowledge is vital for predicting weather patterns and climate change. Section 8. The sounds of silence. Acoustic anomalies at Point Nemo. In the 1990s, scientists detected an ultra-low frequency sound emanating from Point Nemo. This sound, dubbed the bloop, sparked much speculation about its origin. While the source of the bloop remains unconfirmed, researchers believe it was likely the sound of massive ice shelves breaking off Antarctica. This event highlights the interconnectedness of our planet, even in its most remote corners. Section 9. A pristine environment. Studying climate change's impact. In this section, we delve into the untouched corners of our planet to understand the profound effects of climate change. Point Nemo's isolation makes it an ideal location to study the impacts of climate change. Located in the heart of the South Pacific Ocean, it is the farthest point from any landmass, making it a unique natural laboratory. The lack of human activity means that any changes observed in the water chemistry or marine life can be directly attributed to global factors. This isolation ensures that the data collected is free from local human interference, providing a clear picture of the broader environmental changes. By monitoring this pristine environment, scientists can gain valuable insights into how climate change is affecting our oceans and the life within them. They use advanced technology to measure temperature fluctuations, acidification levels, and the health of marine ecosystems. This information is crucial for developing strategies to mitigate these impacts. Understanding the changes in such a remote location helps in predicting future trends and preparing for the challenges ahead. The research conducted at Point Nemo not only informs us about the current state of our oceans, but also guides global policies and conservation efforts to protect marine life for future generations. Section 10. Conclusion. The enduring allure of Point Nemo. Point Nemo, the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, stands as a testament to the vastness and mystery of our planet. Its remoteness and isolation have made it a place of scientific fascination. From studying deep-sea creatures to monitoring climate change, and even serving as a spacecraft graveyard, Point Nemo continues to captivate our imagination and deepen our understanding of the world we live in.